Every skill or just separate?
Separated.
Oh, separated, okay. Nice and
After that, I went west.
how are we going, guys? Welcome to yet another vlog. We're out here in the city, as you can see. Nice and beautiful. You know, the sun setting on that side, as you can see over there. That being said, we're here on the Queen's Bridge and we are heading over to the Malaysian Food Festival. So this is actually an annual event that's held over here. So it's just right over there, basically to bring the community together. So initially it was introduced to Melbourne by the Malaysian High Commission, encouraging people to visit Malaysia as a result. So I know last year my wife and I went to Malaysia for the first time, and then we had the opportunity to run around, you know, Kuala Lumpur and have a look around and enjoy the local cuisine. But today, to have it right here on our own doorstep, I think it is actually a perfect opportunity to come out and sample it ourselves. So without further ado, we're just gonna go and get into it, have a look around and see what they will recommend for us to try. How are you, mate? How you going? All right? That's the one. That's some grilling happening there. As you South Africans will call it braai, but that's a Malaysian style, right there on the fire. And the ladies got their own stuff going on here as well. So more of the fried stuff that's happening. Hello, how are you?
Hi, good. Yourself?
Very well, thank you.
Try our chicken skin.
Yes, I would like to try your chicken skin. So is this very popular over in Malaysia?
Yeah, very popular.
I haven't tried it. I went there last year.
Yeah, I'll give
But I haven't tried it. So we're gonna try some of this, the chicken wings. And she also recommended we try the chicken skin, so. Card payment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try your chicken skin. So they've got like fried chicken happening here. So ladies just serving. Just fried chicken. So we try some of that. So a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So I reckon we try that right here. So the roti john, so we try that as well.
or chicken.
Chicken, please.
Chicken, but make sure you put in your video, okay? I'll give you for free.
Yes, I will put in my video. Thank you. So that one is for free? Yes, please. Our one is spicy. Of course, it's Malaysian food. It's gonna be spicy. You know. So that's one of the things I love about the Malaysian food. As far as my experience goes, when I went over there, the food was absolutely really spicy. And I like that. So it does not disappoint. So we'll give that a go. Thank you. Let me just tap that. Thank you. And that was how much? $10. All right. Thank you. Also do burgers. They do take card. So if you want to come out here and have this experience from 3 o'clock till 10 p.m. So most of these stores will be open until they run out pretty much. But anyway, you want to come out here. So I think there's only one more week that's left of this event. So you don't want to miss the opportunity to try this local delicacy here. I'm certainly not going to miss it. All I smell is absolutely delish. Got them making me my roti john over there, but I've got my package, so I'll have that together. But I thought we explore some more and have a look around before before we lose the lighting. I'll try the sticky rice, and it's got like prawn filling, so we try that as well. So we get our little parcels. And then we'll go and try it at the corner over there. And then after we'll, just have a bit of a walk around and try and talk to the people. Thank you. Do you take card?
Yeah.
All right. Cash only?
Yes, yeah.
No, card, thank you. If anyone says here, cash only, I'm finished. That's handy, beautiful. So that was $5, thank you. So we got two orders here. And as you can see, there's some more people coming out here. So like I was saying, just in case I forget, you want to come out here by next week if you haven't made it here already. There's only one more week left of this festival, but it's an annual event. So people come out here every year and it's held every year. So you can see They got air power generators, the small stove. You know, more stalls over there. But while we're waiting for our roti joint, it's too noisy here. The generators are too noisy. I don't think we can eat out here. Let's go a little bit further down there with a bit of a city view. But yeah, the generators are absolutely noisy. We'll come back to that. Let's just get away from that and get a city view. But it's definitely very lively out here. So first thing we're gonna try is our chicken wings that we got here. Absolutely beautiful chicken wings. Absolutely delight. When I went to Malaysia, one of the things I really loved about even like in their McDonald's, they do fried chicken over there. She offered me some chicken skin. I'm passing on that. Not brave enough, you know. So I'll just stick to the wings instead. And at least then I've, you know, fulfilled my obligation to try some. So it comes with a little bit of sauce as well. So you dip that in and off you go. And in this one here, we have a nice little wrap in banana skin, it is, or banana leaf. So you have a rice and prawn filling. So that was $5, he says. So there you go. So it's like a banana. Let's try that. It's very hot, very, very hot, but absolutely tasty. I must admit though, it's very, very cold. Roughly about 10 degrees now, but earlier was about 16. But right now it feels like about 10 degrees, so very, very cold. So that's the last one, we'll try that. So I'll finish that up, get my roti, and I'll try that as well. And I'll give you guys more look around. We got our third package, that's our roti joint. And apparently the lady was so nice enough to say, hey man, I'll give you that for free, you don't have to pay for that. So that's your Malaysian spirit. Very friendly people, very, very helpful. And the experience that I had in Malaysia has definitely led to me wanting to come back here and have this experience as well. It shows you these events do actually work. You know, it brings people together, but it also brings cultures together. So the initial reason why this was started, in case I missed it at the beginning, to strengthen the bilateral relationship between Australia and Malaysia, and this is one way of doing it. So it is actually an event that held with conjunction to the city of Melbourne and also the Malaysian Consulate. So just in case I missed that earlier. But yeah, so people are just out doing their thing. You know, that's the Meat and Wine Co over there, the steakhouse. They're not very far away. And you also got, like, you know, all these other restaurants out here on the Southbank. But you can certainly see people are queuing up for more stuff. And these are all your really deep fried stuff. Very, very long queue all the way. People are queuing up trying to get some food. I don't think I'll be queuing up because I've already got some food and some free stuff to eat as well. But let's just have a quick walk around. And I need to eat that because it's very cold outside. So over here, they got all the, hi, how are ya? What do we have here? Noodles, fried noodles.
Fried noodle, Hokkien noodle, instant noodle, barbecue noodle, and Japanese rice noodle.
Oh, good. Can I try that one, please? Yeah? So we're gonna try this one here. This one, I think that looks really good, so we try some of that. But everyone's doing their thing. Beautiful. And they're all offering drinks as well. All kind of drinks. So I think I'll get the noodles because I don't have to queue up for that. So we get that. Yes, I want to try that. Thank you. And they also got some really nice prawns here. Oh, thank you for that. Yeah, no, that's enough, thank you. So we get the prawns and we have that with it as well. So what's your favorite thing about this event?
I think because all Malaysians are getting together and we share our
Your culture?
tradition, yep, my culture, our food all along here. Because Malaysia, one of the top things is our food. Yeah.
Yeah, last year I went to Malaysia.
Oh really?
Yeah, I went there with my wife. So this is why I wanted to come. Yeah, it was very nice.
I hope you enjoyed there.
Yes, it was really nice.
Yeah.
And thank you for the food. Can I pay you, please? Thank you.
$10.
All right, thank you. I just offered to pay because they've done a lot of work, so that's $10. I don't want to take advantage of people giving me free stuff everywhere. They are nice people, but definitely pay. Yeah.
You want me to add on a bit?
No, you're good. You're good. Don't add any more. Yeah, so thank you. Yeah, so I'm just here to support these people and what they're doing. So I'm not gonna get too much. So I'll pack that up and then I'll try and get me a quiet spot quickly. But look at that for a view. Good old Melbourne. For all you guys that always, hating on my city, how is that for a Saturday? Absolutely. Standing here having my street food, my good old rice and prawn. I got my John roti here, very spicy. I took a bite and I think I was recording, but I wasn't. But anyway, that's my roti. That one didn't cost me anything, but they were selling it for $14 a piece. So it's absolutely delish. So it's basically egg and a little bit of chicken in there, more like a minced up chicken. So it's really nice, and also has got like really nice, this nice, very spicy sauce to go with it. So we'll eat that as well. That one was $10. So it's just a mixture of some noodles, but also some fried prawns to go with it. Nice and crunchy, especially the prawn. Very nice and crunchy. Absolutely delight. Beautiful texture. Absolutely beautiful. So that roti was quite delicious. So far the damage bill, we're looking at $35. So that's how much I spent. Well, I haven't spent $35, I actually spent $20. The roti was for free, but if you're looking at how much all of that was $35. And it's family friendly. There's kids here with their parents and just running around, and you have that atmosphere. So let's have a look around. What else is there here? So the goal is not to make this vlog very long, because I have to tell you, it's ridiculously cold right now. Being out here is super, super cold, absolutely cold. But the smell, absolutely beautiful. How are you going, all right? You having fun?
Fun.
Yeah?
Yep.
Have you tried any of the food?
Oh no, just security here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like to try any?
No.
Good on you.
Thanks.
All right. Always good to offer people, if they can, if they're standing by themselves and not, doing much. Hopefully, they also are cared for. Just another more stores here. And over here, it looks like they're doing more like a grilled chicken. Very neat. And yeah, you can just buy your food, find yourself a little spot, and just sit wherever. But you can see the atmosphere of that. So don't miss out, guys. Come out here, immerse into the atmosphere. So it's really a cool place to be, and it's a cool place to spend the evening. So don't come out here after you eat something. Come out here hungry and ready to have some proper food. All right. So let's see what these other stalls have over here. So roughly what I can see here is roughly about 20 stalls, different stalls, but yeah, probably one of the best they pick out, to come out here and do this. But that's the other side of the Southbank. So that's all restaurants down there, if you haven't been here, but that's what's down there. So you see, that's all family friendly. Bring your kids, enjoy the whole thing. And there's just more. And they offer drinks as well. How are you, Mike? How you going? What's the name of your drink?
Soda.
It's a soda, cold soda. Beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to give that drink a pass because I'm feeling a little bit cold, and that's a cold drink. If it was a hot drink, I would definitely have a go. So let's have a look here.
They had like
But they probably have to put more rings on.
There we go. More people over here. Sorry, buddy. You're just doing the skills. Hello, how are you? All right, good. That's it. So yeah, majority of the food is all, you know, fried food. Every skill or just separate?
separated.
Oh, separated. Okay. That looks neat. Absolutely neat.
Malaysia.
Very good. It smells good. Yes, there's a big queue for that. Absolutely, very big queue. So everyone's queuing up. So that goes all the way over here. So if you're keen for some of that, definitely you got to queue up for that. But like I was saying, we've already eaten. I don't want to be, you know, stuffing my face for no reason. You know, that was already enough food for me today. Otherwise, I'm definitely going home bloated. But I do hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Os. I do vlogs around Melbourne, and of course, I've done some in Malaysia as well. So until next time, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Peace.